Today we're diving into a game-changing development that's set to shake up the mirrorless camera world in 2025, the Canon EOS R4. For months now, camera enthusiasts and professionals alike have been eagerly speculating about Canon's next big release, and it looks like the long-anticipated EOS R4 is about to make its grand entrance. Whether you're an aspiring filmmaker, a seasoned wildlife photographer, or someone looking to upgrade from an entry-level mirrorless model, this camera might just be the sweet spot you've been waiting for. Canon EOS R4. Canon's mid-range. Powerhouse is almost here. Canon is strategically positioning the EOS R4 between its existing EOS R6 Mark II and the rumored flagship EOS R52. This move clearly aims to dominate the mid-range mirrorless camera market by offering high-end performance without the high-end price tag. Leaked specs and insider chatter suggest the R4 could be the perfect hybrid tool for both photography and video production. So what exactly are we expecting from this beast? Rumored Canon EOS R4 specs and features breakdown. Let's take a deep dive into the Canon EOS R4 features that have been circulating through the rumor mill. New 40MP full-frame stacked CMOS sensor. Arguably the most exciting detail is the rumored 40-megapixel full-frame stacked CMOS sensor. That's a big jump from what we've seen in Canon's mid-tier offerings, and it puts the R4 on par with more premium models from Sony and Nikon. A stacked sensor means improved readout speeds, reduced rolling shutter effects, and significantly enhanced low-light capabilities, essential for action, sports, and wildlife photography. Powered by Digis X Plus processor. The sensor will reportedly be coupled with Canon's next-gen Digis X Plus image processor, allowing for faster image processing, superior dynamic range, and enhanced noise reduction. This combination suggests that the R4 could outperform the EOS R6 Mark II in real-world shooting conditions, particularly in challenging environments. Introducing quad-pixel autofocus, a Canon first? If rumors are accurate, Canon may debut a revolutionary quad-pixel autofocus system in the R4, an evolution of its widely praised dual-pixel AF. Quad-pixel AF would elevate Canon's subject tracking, facial recognition, and eye detection to new levels, making it one of the best cameras for sports photography or shooting in low-light indoor scenarios. Whether you're filming fast-paced content or capturing fleeting wildlife moments, QPAF would provide lightning-fast, precise focusing, even in dim environments. Up to 9 stops of IBIS for smooth shooting. Another standout feature is in-body image stabilization that's rumored to offer up to 9 stops of correction. This would give handheld shooters, whether photographers or vloggers, the ability to get clean, shake-free footage without relying on tripods or gimbals. Pair this with a stabilized lens and you have a tool capable of cinematic video footage and tack-sharp handheld shots even in tricky lighting. 8K 60fps and pro video features for creators, content creators, filmmakers, and YouTubers. Listen up, 8K video at 60 frames per second could be on the menu. Canon's leap into high-resolution video territory with the R4 could rival even some cinema. Cameras expect additional pro video features like 10-bit 4.22. Internal recording, 4K oversampling for pristine detail support, for Canon Log 3 for better color grading in post and enhanced cooling system to prevent the overheating issues we've seen in the R5D. This positions the EOS R4 not just as a stills camera, but as a hybrid shooter's dream tool. Design and build. Function. Meets comfort. The EOS R4 is expected to inherit the ergonomic design language of the EOS R5, but with noticeable upgrades. One leak indicates a larger hand grip, improving handling for those long shoots or heavy lens combos. Other welcome design features may include redesigned articulating LCD screen dual card slots weather sealing, similar to Canon's flagship bodies. These elements all point toward a camera that's both rugged and creator-friendly, ready to handle the demands of professional environments. Smart connectivity. For modern creators, connectivity is king. The R4 will likely feature Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2 for high-speed wireless transfers, enhanced support for Canon Camera Connect app, and remote shooting USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 for faster tethered Shooting and live streaming, it's clear the R4 is shaping up to be the perfect mid-tier powerhouse, ideal for creators who want high-end features without a flagship price. Canon R4 versus Sony A7R V versus Nikon. Z8 Canon's EOS R4 won't have the market to itself. It'll go toe-to-toe with Sony A7R V. Offers similar resolution but may lag behind in autofocus Technicon Z8. A favorite among high-speed shooters, but with fewer video-centric features. Panasonic S5 IIX, strong for video but lacks the sensor. Innovation Canon is offering. If Canon delivers on its promises, the R4 could become the top mirrorless camera for under $3,000. Canon EOS R4 release date and price predictions. So when can you get your hands on it? Reliable sources suggest that the Canon EOS R4 release date could land between Q4 2025, aligning with Canon's traditional product cycles. As for pricing, based on its rumored features and Canon's positioning strategy, we anticipate a launch, priced between $24.99 and $2,099 USD. This would undercut some competitors while still offering specs that feel premium. Final thoughts. Who is the EOS R4 for? If you're an advanced hobbyist, hybrid content creator, or a semi-professional photographer looking to upgrade, the Canon EOS R4 is definitely worth the wait. With next-gen autofocus, 8K recording, and pro-grade ergonomics, it could be the most versatile camera Canon has ever released in this price range.